Hi, I'm Christy, and welcome back to All About Food. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Lechon Kawali with vinegar dip.
Of water to a boil, 1.5 kilo pork belly, 1 knorr cube, 1 tablespoon of rosemary, 1 tablespoon thyme, 1 to 2 tablespoons of rock salt, 1 tablespoon peppercorns. Put the rock salt, peppercorns, rosemary, thyme, and knorr cube. Mix it, then put the pork belly. Bring it to a boil. Cook it for 1 to 2 hours depending on the desired tenderness of the meat. In the pork belly, put it on a cooling rack until it reaches to room temperature. You may refrigerate or freeze it if you will fry it later. To fry your pork belly, in a frying pan or deep fryer, put as much cooking oil as needed. Make sure that your cooking oil is at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Put your pork belly skin side down. Then fry the other side until your desired golden brown on both sides. For a complete ingredients list and procedures, please see the description below. After frying, put it in a cooling rack to keep the crispiness of the pork. For a vinegar dip, pinch of salt, vinegar, 2 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 small onion sliced into quarter, a dash of white pepper, and a tablespoon. Mix the salt and pepper and vinegar. Add the garlic and onions and mix it again. Our Lechon Kawali with vinegar dip.
Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.